Here's a new 2020 Genesis G70. Sophisticated elegance with athletic performance and attention to detail equals one lasting impression. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, remote engine start smart device, hands-free liftgate, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, heated steering wheel, automatic with driver control suspension management, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.